a couple of things I need to do here before we move on from the calculator example. And again, we're going to revisit this later to actually make it in a window and make things more interesting. But over here, if you want to implement some other operations, you can simply just duplicate this however many times you want again. So there could be any number of else if statements, and again, you could have this for subtraction or multiplication or whatever that you want to do here. So that's one thing. The other thing is I want to introduce comments. So comments are really interesting because they allow you to organize the code. So this code actually looks very disorganized as of now. So you can organize it by introducing comments, and comments are just lines of text inside of the code that just don't get executed. They're just for you and for other developers when they read your code to understand more about what your code does. So you're gonna write a comment by using a double slash, then give it an explanation for this part of the code. So let's say this part is defining my scanners. I will introduce another comment here, and I will call this section getting inputs from the user. And this is all until here, so I might actually do this even though it looks ugly. No, actually, let's skip a line here. Then let's say this section we are specifying or selecting the proper operation, because that's what we're doing here. That's what we're doing there. We're just getting inputs from the user. So each section should be you should explain what's going on in this piece of code, because actually you could come to this later and just forget what you wrote, let's say a week before. So having those comments would really help a lot, just understanding the code. So yeah, that was it for comments. One more thing, it's giving me some warnings here because I actually forgot. If you hover over it, it's just a warning. It doesn't affect anything, but it says the scanner is never closed. So what you actually should do once you use a scanner is come here once you're done using it and close it. So operation scanner dot close. Same thing for my numbers scanner. And